I created this glittery rose gold eye look using the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. Glitter eye looks are really on trend for spring. The no makeup looks are really on trend as well, but glitter is one of those search terms on Instagram at the moment. So I just thought I would create this super simple, easy eye look using the Bare Necessities palette by Colourpop. I'm going to go with the shade Hot Gossip on a Colourpop E15. And Ariel A20, All For You. It's like a mauve pink transition shade. I'm going to apply that to my lower crease. I love how easy these shades are blending. They look so pretty together. They're coming out a little bit darker than I planned, but I love it. I have this weird eye vein around here. It always like messes up my eye looks. Brush, I'm gonna take this shade Taboo, which is a brown shade, all matte, kind of the perfect in between of cool tone and warm tone. I'm gonna blend that into my outer. I'm then going to take the shade The Talk. It's like a pinkish corally shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply that into the inner half of my eyelid. I'm going to take Designer Dupes right below it, which is a little bit of a darker pink shimmer, and I'm going to apply that between the dark and the light shimmer. Smaller blending brush. This is a JH33. Take a darker brown. This is Vixen, or sorry, this is Velveteen. And I'm just gonna blend that into the outer V here. Just want to darken this up some more. Setting spray, and I'm gonna take a Colourpop E4 brush. I'm gonna get it wet and with the Talk. I want to make these shimmers way more vibrant. Early shade, I'm just gonna pat this on here. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Get it more wet and apply it some more. Such a pretty shimmer shade. So pretty. Oh, makes such a huge difference. Yes, look how pretty that is. Same brush, wet. I'm gonna go with Designer Dupes, the other shimmer. Designer Dupes, just like that. Ooh, so pretty. Sigma E25 in the pink mauve shade, All For You. I'm gonna apply that to my bottom lash line. The lovely Rose Quartz highlighter by Jaclyn, my inner corner. My god, I love this look. It's so pretty. Apply some black eyeliner to my bottom waterline. For extra sparkle, I added the Stila Glitter and Glow Rose Gold Eye Topper. Apply some mascara. Apply some Demi Wispie lashes. And that completes this tutorial. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.